Hi folks, this is Khalid Saifuddin. I'm here with the crude oil coil for 12th September. We will discuss the possibility appearing on chart, technical chart, for trading in 12th September session. Right in front of you is the 1 hour chart, right with the closing of Friday. And here is my call on the left side, crude oil. My price at closing is 86.18. And my view for the crude oil is so far nice recovery in last two sessions, but still bulls are not comfortable, so they need to do more. So we'll be checking out how bulls react around 86, 85, 87, 25. So then we'll decide about long, because we will go long above 87.25 if it sustains above. And I'll show you in the next slide that how we'll go for long. So if it trades above 87.25 with fresh volumes and momentum, we'll go long, and we'll obviously target the next level, which is 88.25. And if it crosses 88.25 with the power, and we find out the momentum of the bulls, which is too high, then instead of exiting on the 88.25, we'll try moving with the trailing stop loss by following the move. So this is my view about the long possibility. And then I have said here, if you find difficulty breaking 86, 85, 87, 25, if you find exhaustion in recovery, if it goes up or you see they're not able to survive above 86, 85, 87, 25, then we'll start thinking about short on the strength. So even below, it's not necessarily right in this area. If it exhausts below 86, 85, we'll be thinking and trying to analyze the exhaustion on chart, on 1 hour chart, and it's not that difficult. I'll show you in the next slide. So because failing to hold above this level will be time for going short on the strength. So short on the strength is below this level. And exhaustion will confirms by breaking 85.75. So the first point is, in that case, the first target will be 85.75. And if we find out the bear's momentum is more, then instead of exiting, we'll follow the trailing stop loss and let the crude price go down. Okay? And then we'll chase for the next target, 84, 85, 84.70. We are not going to sit on the back and just watching. We'll be looking into sentiment on 1 hour chart. And if we find some exhaustion and bears, we'll try to exit, and then we'll think for the next trade for going short on the strength again. Now let's go to the second slide, the slide where I'm showing you how you will make decision for going long. If you look at the chart, same slide, the only thing is I'm trying to show you some bullish candles, how long call will be effective. What happened is, if you see the red box there, a small candle, that is the last candle of Friday, right? Which is the closing of Friday. So if market opens up above this and trading and trying to reach to that level, 86, 85 and 87.25, we'll look into that. Most probably, the bull's going to spend some time there. There is a possibility because it has a good resistance. So when you have a stronger resistance, so you expect the price value to stay there for sometime couple of minutes, sometime couple of hours. So I'm assuming if it is spending some time over there, and then I will try to look into the possibility. I'll look into the higher highs. If you look, you see two red candles having a high waves, but coming down in the same area. So I will wait and I will not get into the trade unless these high breaks. And you can see that in the right side, at last the candle comes out and starts breaking the high. And when the candle breaks high, which is in a green circle, so a green square, I mean, there you can just go long. It may be 87.50 or 87.35, whatever it is. So we'll try to make a trigger, whatever is the high of these range-bound candles, and when the candles break the upper limit of that range, we'll go long. And then in front of you, you got a couple of bullish candle breaking 88.25 and then going to 89.60. If you look into these bullish candles, you may find some candle the first candle tested the level, and then we have a low also. So that's why the trailing stop loss helps you there. If it comes down, you will be exited from your long in profit, and then you can think of going long on dip again above 87.25 if you find the support. So in this way, you can have a possibility of multiple trades, right? Now, we'll go to the second part of the same call and what it says about the short on the strength. Let's come to the next slide. How to plan short on the strength. The same call, same chart. Now I'm looking into the possibility. What happened? What happened this time? The price value moves up around 86, 85 and 87.25. And despite of going there, we figured out the bulls having difficulty sustaining above 87.25. If you look into the candles, they were having some high wave candles. Whenever the price going up, the crude having sell off and it's coming down. So closing below 87.25 and then started closing below 86.85. So we'll wait for the confirmation. When we find out, if you see the little blue candle, it's a hammer. So if you find that candle, so there it makes a new low. Obviously it closes above the 86.85, but having a new low. So now we'll wait for breaking that low. Or once it breaks that low, we can go in the short in the strength. And there maybe the price value is 86.50, 40, whatever it is. But we will try to find the confirmation by breaking that low. And whoever unable to understand this exhaustion, they can wait for breaking 85.75 because the call says the breaking 85.75 will confirm the exhaustion of bears. So whoever is not understanding the live sentiment can wait for bears to break 85.75, and those who can realize the exhaustion correctly can even go short below 86.85. That's what I'm trying to show you in those candles. So short on the strength from below 86.85 and breaking 85.75, further confirm your short. And where we get the confirmation, usually what we do, we add more short. When the price value is going in our favor, we try to add up more short, and then we'll target 84.85, 84.70 level. When it says 84.85, 84.70, what does it mean? If I'm targeting that level, we'll try to exit before this level. It is not necessary to get an accurate low. So we'll start trying to find out if the pressure is too much, then you can wait and have a trailing stop loss. And if you start finding exhaustion around 85.20 or 85, you better exiting from the short and then just sit back and see how bulls and bear react at 84, 85, and 84.70. If they breaks, you can go in a new short. If not breaking, you will try to find out the same thing what we were looking at above 87.25. If we find out bulls gaining power, we can plan a long on dip also. I hope I made it quite clear what I'm trying to show you. I appreciate because your feedback matters. If you think this call helps you and it will helping you in your trading, just leave a comment on 9234561904443 or on our YouTube channel so we can respond to your comment and we can try to help you more in your trading in crude oil, gold, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and Euro USD. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.